2026. I don't know how long we will say Happy New Year, but we'll say it the longest time possible. From me, Hilona_KE here, this year 2026. I'm very much positive, I'm very much encouraged, I'm very much happy that I have started this year. Good health, sound mind, full of energy, positive, resilient, determined, discipline. I'm working on it on a serious note. Discipline to do what I want to do. Today is the day we are going to have fun. Come along with us. Despite that darkness is coming, it's now 4 p.m. but it's starting to be dark. This is Finland for you. Winter season. We are going to slide, you know. And here with me, I have my sliding machines. We are going to slide. We are going to Pulkamaki with the kids, and it's time to have fun. In this video, I would like to welcome you to this year once again. Let's go. Hoo-hoo, everywhere is white. And the people still have lights. These lights helps a lot. It helps a lot because it's now dark. And when you see the lights, your spirits too, you become fresh. You see the way we are freezing here? Where? See the lights from that angle. And this is the stream where I have shot a video once upon a time. And that is where we have come from. And that's the forest, and we are heading this other direction. The lights are starting to open because darkness is coming. So let's go. Darkness. Hoo-hoo. Darkness is coming on a serious note. But you know what? We are not giving up. Oh, we are going. You see, everywhere is white. How I love this season when it is not too much freezing. When it is not too much freezing, it's good to be outside. But when it is too much freezing, hey, you have to have your clothes. You have to have everything. Even the whole face cannot be outside like now. You have to cover it. Cover. Ooh, see the beauty there. Houses with a lot of lights. This is winter season for you. That's why when summer comes, we really enjoy it with a lot of t-shirts and dresses. So let's keep going. We are not yet at our destination where we are going to do the Pulkamaki. Downhill, small hill. But we are still going. Even though the darkness has come, we are still going. So let's keep on going. The beauty here is on another level because it's white. And we are dark. We are starting this year beautifully. What? See, the beauty of trees. I have come to realize in some countries they do artificial Christmas trees where they are putting nowadays white. But here in Finland, it's like this. We don't struggle. Oh. So, let's keep going. Woo. The season is seasoning. This is where we are walking through. The goodness here is very safe. Very safe. So, let's keep going. Here we don't have any lights. So we just go. It's still bright. When snow is there, it's very bright. Anguka nayo. Is it fun? Are you enjoying it? Evening walk. 4 p.m. Where? Darkness. How to survive in Finland during this season of winter is to just dress up. Dress. With darkness, use the reflectors. Very soon, I will put on my reflector. Very soon, because it's now dark. So, and just be ready to enjoy each and every step. The way this video is becoming dark. Hey. Let's keep going. Darkness, darkness. Here we are, finally. Hey. So we are going to slide from up there to down here. We thank God we have lights. Or what do you say? No eating of snow. No eating of snow. I have cancelled that one. People eat a lot of snow. Then they will say that, it's cold. But for me, I've said no eating of snow. Mommy has said no. My people, it's time to have fun. Welcoming the year in style. So, kindly enjoy with us. We slide. Plan to enjoy each and every moment in your life. Plan to be part and parcel of each and every activity which happens around you. And for us now, we are going to slide. It's now dark, but we thank God we have lights. In Finland, you don't always wait for brightness or daytime to do something, because we work with time. It's not a must that it is daylight. There is daylight for you to do something, because darkness is more. One question which they always ask is, when darkness comes, so you just stay inside the houses? No. When snow is there, do you just stay inside the houses with the children? No. We dress up and we go out. Most asked question, how do you behave, or how do you do things when it is winter? We just use time, and we keep time. If, for example, if now it's 4:30 p.m. evening, and it is already dark, that does not mean that we should be inside the houses. No. We have come here to play, to do the sliding, because we just go with time. It's not a time to sleep. It's not a time to eat. It's time to play around, then we go home. So we only work with schedule. We go to bed when it is 8, 9, 10 there. Following time. Otherwise, if we could follow the brightness of the day, we could have gone to bed already. But we also work. We go to work also during winter time. We work. We go to job when it is dark in the morning. We come back when it is dark. So if it is about waiting for sunlight or sunrise for us to go to job, we could not be working. So it's just a matter of following time. Tricky situation here in Finland. Tricky scenarios. So for those who are planning to come to Finland, kindly consider that here in Finland we don't have sunshine all through the year. Here in Finland we have a lot of snow, and we have 6 months of coldness. Very cold. Let's go and slide. Woohoo! Come. Yes. Time to have fun. Time to have fun. Still wishing you blessed year 2026. That's where we have come from. Behind there is where we have come from. So let's go. Well, beautiful and tricky season here in Finland. See the way it's beautiful. And people who want to slide are coming from up there. I'm yet to be there. I'm just admiring this beautiful forest. The way it's blue, the lights, the snow up there. See? Blue sky. Tulka. I'm admiring this weather. What? Take care. Take care. Take care. Ah, la, 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 la. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Next person. Next person. People are not coming. Ooh, the next person is coming. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Wow! I'm at the keskel. I'm at the middle. Woo! This is fun. Fun time. Wow. Beauty. Let's go. It's now my turn. Let's go. It's time to go. Songeni sasa kwa njia. Let's go again. Mommy went to the forest. Mommy went to the forest. Why, my people. What? This is tough. Well, let's keep our things. Wow. Experiences, eh? If you have not experienced this and you are in Finland, hey, you are missing out. Come, we go with you. I teach you. Let's run. We are coming back. What? We are coming. This is one of the best thing you can do to reduce your anxiety for those people who have what do you say, anxiety? This is not the way it has come to my face. I'm literally wet. Literally wet because of snow. But we are going. Let's go up. Or we start from here? No. I think we should still go up. What? Anakuja anakonga mimi tu, mama anaenda huko. Mkono. Ella tumia mkono. This is fun. I got myself in the forest. This is fun. go back. Yes? This has been fun. First fun 2026. And if you have not done these things and you live here in Finland, kindly do them. Oh, especially if you have kids. Take them to slide. With these kind of things. Huh? Sliding, skiing, skating, all kind of snow activities. Then the winter season will go too fast. Things you can do so that winter season can go so fast. And I'm very much happy that very soon it will be spring. So thank you so much, my people, for this fun. Thank you because of this video that you have enjoyed. Thank you for everything. Kindly subscribe, comment, share, and like. And let's keep on going. This is another new year of determination, year of discipline, year of desire, year of what? Everything beautiful decorations. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kabush, we are pushing where? Forward. Yes.